My name is Emma, and I love the smell of fresh coffee on a rainy day. I am a friendly English teacher, and today I have a free morning. I walk down the street and see a new cafe called the Blue Door. Near the entrance, I meet a young man named Ethan. He is a chef and he knows a lot about good food and drinks. Ethan wears a clean white shirt and looks very professional. My wavy brown hair is a bit wet because of the light rain. I have a warm smile because the place looks very cozy and inviting. The 2D Disney World around us is full of soft and pleasant colors. My expressive brown eyes see a beautiful chalkboard with the menu. Ethan tells me that they have the best croissants in the whole city. I am a proactive girl, so I decide to go inside immediately. The door opens with a small bell sound that is very musical. Inside, the cafe is warm and full of the aroma of sweet vanilla. I see many small wooden tables and comfortable green chairs. Ethan suggests a table near the window to watch the street. I am satisfying with the quiet atmosphere of this lovely place. My light skin tone looks bright in the soft indoor light. I put my bag on the chair and take a deep breath of coffee air. Every detail of the cafe is designed for a peaceful rest. Ethan goes to the counter to check the morning specials. I feel a lot of inspiration for my future English lessons here. The rain is getting stronger, but I am safe and warm. We are a great team of friends who enjoy simple things. My lavender dress looks very nice in this vintage setting. I am ready to spend a beautiful hour in this new cafe. The first scene of my story is calm and very logical. Ethan returns with a friendly look and 2 menus. I am happy to discover such a wonderful spot in my town. Our cafe adventure begins with a smile and a warm greeting. Ethan and I look at the menu for a few long minutes. There are many types of tea, coffee, and delicious cakes. I see a special drink called honey latte and it sounds perfect. Ethan points at the chocolate cake and says it is his favorite. My soft cartoon features light up as I read about the pancakes. Everything looks very tasty in this 2D Disney animation world. I am a proactive person, so I choose my drink quite quickly. Ethan explains that they use organic milk and local honey. I value healthy ingredients because they are good for my energy. My expressive brown eyes find a small picture of a strawberry tart. We decide to share one big piece of chocolate cake together. The menu is colorful and very easy to read for everyone. I am satisfying with our choice of a morning snack. Ethan goes to the barista to place our order. I stay at the table and look at the rain on the glass window. The cafe is filling with people who want to stay dry. I hear the sound of the milk machine and some quiet jazz. My wavy brown hair is dry by the time Ethan returns. We talk about our favorite types of breakfast food. Ethan loves cooking eggs with herbs and fresh tomatoes. I prefer sweet things like fruit salad and yogurt. The 2D Disney style makes the cafe look like a dream. I am a teacher who enjoys learning about other people's hobbies. Ethan is a very interesting person with many creative ideas. Our conversation is logical, easy, and very friendly. I feel very relaxed and forget about my busy school week. The second scene of our story is full of anticipation. We wait for our hot drinks to arrive at our marble table. My warm smile is a sign of a truly good mood. Every second in the cafe is a gift for my soul. Ethan returns to the table with a beautiful wooden tray. He carries 2 large cups and a plate with the chocolate cake. The honey latte has a small heart made of white foam. I am a proactive girl, so I take a photo of the latte. The coffee is hot and smells like a summer garden. Ethan puts the cake in the middle of our small table. It has 3 layers and a lot of dark chocolate on top. My expressive brown eyes shine when I see the dessert. We take our spoons and try the first piece together. The taste is very rich, sweet, and absolutely amazing. Ethan tells me that the secret is a little bit of sea salt. I am surprised because salt in a cake is very unusual. But the combination of salt and chocolate is perfect today. The 2D Disney animation style captures the steam from the cups. I feel the warmth of the coffee in my hands. My lavender dress is a bright point in the cozy cafe corner. We talk about our work and our plans for the afternoon. Ethan wants to visit the local market to buy some fresh fish. I have a lot of English essays to check before Monday morning. But for this moment, the schoolwork feels very far away. I am satisfying with the quality of the service in this cafe. The barista is a kind woman who waves at us from the counter. Everything is organized and looks very clean and bright. My wavy brown hair moves as I nod my head in agreement. We enjoy the rhythm of the rainy morning in the city. Ethan is a great friend who knows the best places to eat. The third scene of our story is sweet and very delicious. We drink our coffee slowly to enjoy every single sip. My light skin tone looks healthy and very fresh. The chocolate cake is disappearing very fast from our plate. Ethan takes a small cinnamon stick from his pocket. He explains that cinnamon makes any coffee taste like home. I am a proactive teacher, so I write this tip in my notebook. We talk about different spices and how they change our mood. Ethan tells me that vanilla is for peace and ginger is for energy. I find this information very interesting and very logical. My soft cartoon features show my curiosity and my joy. The 2D Disney world around us is full of magic and light. I try to guess the ingredients in my honey latte. I think there is a little bit of nutmeg too, I say. Ethan smiles and confirms that my guess is absolutely right. I am satisfying with my sense of taste this morning. We watch a small kitten sleeping on a chair nearby. The cafe is a very friendly place for animals too. My expressive brown eyes watch the barista making a new drink. The sound of the spoon against the cup is very rhythmic. I feel like a character in a heartwarming animation movie. My wavy brown hair is soft and looks very natural today. We talk about our favorite childhood memories of food. Ethan remembers his grandmother's apple pie with sugar. I remember my father's pancakes on Sunday mornings. These stories make our friendship even stronger and deeper. The rain is still falling, but the cafe is full of sunshine. I am a proactive girl who enjoys every minute of the conversation. Ethan is a talented man who loves his professional work. We are happy to share this morning in the Blue Door. The fourth scene of our story is full of secrets and spices. Every detail of our meeting is pleasant and very high quality. I feel a lot of gratitude for this simple and beautiful life. My warm smile is the best answer to Ethan's stories. We finish our cake and look at the large glass window. The raindrops are like small diamonds moving down the glass. The street outside is gray, but the cafe is bright and warm. Ethan tells me that he likes the sound of the rain on the roof. I agree because it makes me feel safe and very cozy. My expressive brown eyes follow the cars on the wet road. We are in a peaceful 2D Disney world of our own. I am a proactive teacher who plans a lesson about the weather. Rain, rain, go away is a song for children, I tell Ethan. He laughs and says that the rain is good for the gardens. I am satisfying with his positive way of thinking today. We see an old man with a big red umbrella walking past. Everything looks ultra-realistic. No, everything looks charming in 2D. My light skin tone looks radiant in the afternoon light. Ethan checks his watch and says he has 30 more minutes. We decide to order 2 small cups of herbal tea. The tea is green and has a very fresh smell of mint. I am a proactive girl who always tries new things on the menu. The cafe is becoming more crowded as people leave work. I hear the laughter of a group of students at the next table. My wavy brown hair is perfect after the morning moisture. We feel a deep sense of calm and great personal happiness. Every cup of tea is a new topic for our interesting talk. Ethan is a person who values quality time with his friends. I am an English teacher who values good and clear communication. The 5th scene of our story is peaceful and very reflective. We watch the world through the glass and feel very lucky. My lavender dress is comfortable and looks very elegant. The tea is warm and makes my throat feel very good. We are ready for the final part of our cafe visit. We take the last sips of our warm mint tea together. The rain is finally stopping, and the sun is coming out. I see a beautiful rainbow over the city buildings. Ethan stands up and takes our tray to the counter. I am a proactive girl, so I help him clear the marble table. We say goodbye to the friendly barista and the sleeping kitten. My warm smile shows that I had a wonderful morning. The 2D Disney World is now bright with the afternoon sun. I feel full of energy and ready for my evening classes. Ethan walks me to the corner of the street near the park. We promise to meet again next week at the same time. My expressive brown eyes see the wet leaves on the trees. The air is fresh and smells like the earth after the rain. I am satisfying with the results of our cafe meeting. Ethan is a great companion and a very talented chef. I am an English teacher who found a new favorite place. My wavy brown hair moves as I wave my hand to him. The city is awake and full of movement and bright life. We are a part of a beautiful and very logical story. Every second of the visit was useful and very pleasant. I am Emma, and I love my life in this 2D Disney world. The lavender dress is a symbol of my happy Saturday. I walk to the school with a light heart and a clear mind. Shopping for books is my next step for the afternoon. But the memory of the chocolate cake stays with me. Ethan is a man who knows how to make a day special. The 6th scene of our story is a happy and bright finale. We are moving forward to our own different goals. The podcast of our cafe visit is officially finished. Everything is organized,
The best comment under this video
tidy,
gess English
and full of
lessons
great hope.
completely free. So go ahead and write your comment now.